The concept of a new heaven and new earth is found in Revelation 21 verses 1-5 and represents a profound promise of renewal and restoration in Christian eschatology. This vision, given to the Apostle John, unfolds at the conclusion of the Bible, signifying the ultimate fulfillment of God's plan for creation after a period of tribulation and judgment. Key elements. New creation. Revelation 21 verse 1 states, "Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth had passed away." This signifies a complete transformation of the current state of the world, where sin, suffering, and death no longer exist. The new creation reflects God's sovereignty and power to restore His creation to its intended glory. The Holy City. John describes the New Jerusalem coming down from heaven, Revelation 21 verse 2. This city symbolizes the dwelling place of God with His people, representing an intimate relationship restored. The imagery of the New Jerusalem as a bride beautifully adorned for her husband evokes purity, joy, and celebration. God's presence. In Revelation 21 verse 3, it emphasizes that God will dwell with humanity, and they will be His people. This promise restores the intimate communion that was lost in the Garden of Eden, highlighting the profound nature of God's love and desire to be with His creation. No more suffering. The text assures that in this new creation, there will be no more death, mourning, crying, or pain, Revelation 21 verse 4. This promise emphasizes the complete eradication of the effects of sin, allowing for an existence characterized by eternal joy and peace. God's promise. Revelation 21 verse 5 reinforces that God is making all things new. This invitation to take hope in this promise reflects the continuity between the Old and New Testaments, where prophetic visions of renewal are fulfilled, showcasing God's faithfulness. Theological significance. Eschatology. The new heaven and new earth are central themes in the study of end times, reflecting God's ultimate plan to redeem His creation. It underscores the hope of a restored relationship with God, free from the consequences of sin. Fulfillment of prophecy. This promise aligns with Old Testament prophecies, e.g. Isaiah 65 verses 17-25, indicating a continuity in God's redemptive work throughout history. Implications for believers. Hope and encouragement. The promise of a new heaven and new earth serves as a beacon of hope, especially for those facing suffering or loss. It reassures believers that their current struggles are temporary and that a glorious future awaits them. Call to faithfulness. This vision encourages believers to remain steadfast in their faith and to live in light of eternity, prioritizing spiritual growth and good works in their present lives. Mission and purpose. Understanding this future hope can inspire believers to actively participate in God's redemptive work today, embodying the values of love, justice, and mercy as they await the fulfillment of His glorious plan. Conclusion. The concept of a new heaven and new earth encapsulates the heart of the Christian faith, a promise of redemption, restoration, and hope. It invites believers to anticipate a future where God's presence transforms all of creation into a perfect existence. This vision not only provides comfort but also challenges believers to reflect God's love and grace in their lives today, as they await the fulfillment of His glorious promise.